Today, we're diving into a jaw-dropping segment on construction tips and hacks. So get comfy and watch closely. Prepared something we think you'll find absolutely useful. All we're asking for is your love in the form of a subscription. And how about hitting that bell? Thanks. Playing with optical fiber can result in a mesmerizing starry ceiling, confusing your space with a celestial atmosphere. Keep an eye on the fastest and most reliable method to patch a pipe. A tiny sheet and a bit of quick-drying glue, and even a substantial hole vanishes. With this setup, the board has zero chance of not bending. We found a cool use for all your lids. Save on blades. Elevate your ceiling with a mop for a luxurious twist. A roulette wheel can replace heaps of measurements for precision marking. Unbelievable, right? When you don't have a pro mortar injection gun, a PVC pipe elbow is spot on for applying cement precisely. Someone had the ingenious idea to use a bucket to solve the pesky problem of tangled cables. See how this homemade contraption showcases ingenuity in heavy lifting, rivaling factory-made gadgets. The corkscrew can do way more than you think, so it's a must-have for every home. Check out this one-stop marvel for measuring, cutting, installing, and replacing roofing tiles. Amazing! Using a ruler that can be adjusted to any 2-year will make life easier with geometric gaps. With this hack, you'll have the grill firing up faster than you can say steak. Hold up, before tossing out that old lace curtain, it'll create an awesome design on your walls. Grab this life hack on keeping mortar from drying out. If there's a dent on unfinished wood, grab an iron ASAP. With a construction tarp and a packet, the mess from drilling on your painted walls is history. How about a lightning-fast way to cut slate flawlessly without bulky tools? Here's a genius idea for creating the perfect angle in a profile. Now picture this. You can sculpt bricks just by painting cement. Brilliant! This method can solve the problem of repairs in hard-to-reach places. By creating a double roller like this one, you eliminate the headache of uneven and time-consuming tile application. The tool organizer that'll make you say, wow, it's got it all. Wow. This technique may need many hands, but for oversized cuts, it's the ultimate solution. Even the toughest corners can be tackled. Just make a guide with a pencil and follow the perfect mock-up. Perfect! Simply trim the tile strips on one side, and you can lay them in a circle seamlessly. Who needs a vibrating screed when a drill can do the job just as well? Like sailors with their special knots, builders have their own tricks. Effortlessly tackle yard weeds by wielding a grinder and a duo of clamps. Speed up your nail work using this handmade cutting-edge tool. Here's a smart answer for shower drainage. Check out this DIY pouring gadget. It can cover 4,000 square feet in an hour. Get yourself a 13-foot pipe and turn it into your pool's heat wizard. By crafting a perfectly sized template, you'll wave goodbye to any additional trouble. Behold the ingenuity of using trimmed skirting boards to decorate a curved wall. Thanks a bunch, buddy. Set it up here, and cutting through blocks is a piece of cake. Keep construction stress-free. Let this cart handle the transportation of heavy slabs effortlessly. Grab the solution for drilling in high spaces. Wrap outlets like gifts with tape and voila! Clean after painting. Lay down massive tiles smoothly on your own with these suction cup-equipped tile carts. Skip the scraping of sticker glue. Save time with a specially crafted remover. Magic. Ever wonder why caps have a backstitch in the seam? Clever! Craft a perfectly rounded threshold foundation using a single wooden rail. This guy ingeniously eliminated physical strain using a simple yet remarkably effective invention. Always keep in mind, sun protection is crucial on the construction site. This pencil's mind-blowing effect will have you craving a replay. Now, you're sure to see this canister-made heater as a patent-worthy engineering marvel. Mixing cement in the hole it's meant for, pure genius. We love these guys for their time and cement saver hack. Creating a cool pattern on concrete is surprisingly easy. Metal can weave a sturdy knot, and this expert is about to spill the secret. You won't believe how this bucket nails drywall taping. Seriously. Just a couple of rulers will do the trick to fit laminate perfectly at an angle. Give it a shake, buddy, and the mix will settle in a snap. Imagine how wild it would be if your toilet didn't flush, but dished out food instead. Grab onto that idea. Who would have thought this brush could tackle the toughest spots like a champ? End tape hassle forever with this solution. The AC's busted? Quick fix. Swap it out with a fan, copper tubing, and a pump till it's sorted. Prepare to be blown away by what you can craft from egg cartons and cement. Pretty cool, huh? A bit of grease and heat, and the pipe will release the extra piece easily. An LED screw light. What a brilliant idea! Check out this tutorial on making a sandblaster. Here's a cool way to quickly and securely fasten rebar. Hey, who says old rubber boots are useless? Not when you can turn them into the coolest aquarium ever. Giving tires a fresh purpose is an insanely cool idea. Looks like the seedlings are digging their new digs. Watch out, the next concept is sizzling hot. This DIY fireplace looks just as sleek as it does when done by the pros. Mounting cart, a must-have for installing wall-hung toilets solo. Minimal math and a string will have you drawing the perfect ellipse. Got a blocked shower drain? Here's a budget-friendly fix. Just 2 nuts and you can loosen any bolt, no matter its size. These pumps, crafted from rope, bicycle wheels, PVC pipes, and plastic plates, have become absolute lifesavers. Forget about door slamming and wear from traditional hinges. Sideways opening systems are a game changer. Measure precisely with a laminate piece to custom fit the floor around any door frame. See the trick that will make any wall hole vanish into thin air. Check out this way to polish the joint till it's invisible. This bricklaying technique takes the cake as the most original one yet. Getting the proportions spot on will let you patch outlets as smoothly as buttering toast. Picture how to spice up that bucket with cement and make it into a cool plant pot. Wrapping up for today. Got any construction tips or hacks of your own? Share them with us in the comments. Remember to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share this video with friends. Your support means everything to us, and we're already brewing up some fresh content just for you. Stay tuned.